What's going on, guys? This is Kyle Wahlberg with Leica Geosystems, and today we're going to talk about layout. So when you're in a nice situation like what we have here today, you're indoors or you're in a low light environment, we got a pro tip that's going to make layout way easier. We call it auto-staking. So let's show you. When you get it started, we're going to hit our toolbox right here and actually turn on the function, auto-staking right there. Then I'm going to start following the directions at the top right. It asks me to select the point I'd like to stake out. I'll hit this one here. Then it says point the telescope at the desired work surface. So if I'm laying out hangers, I point it up to the ceiling, or if I'm laying out on the ground, I point it to the ground. I'll hit my start button, and you'll notice the machine automatically starts laying out that point. It'll shine a laser right on the ground there to exactly where it's at. So all I have to do, follow the laser and mark my point out. Then I select my next point I want, hit my start button again, and the machine's automatically going to lay out my next point. A really nice feature here, guys, is as you move further away from the tool, your laser on the ground is going to get longer and longer. If you go ahead and give it a backing surface, your thumb or a nice business card, something like that, it'll give you directions right on the screen of where to bring it. So it's telling me 1/8 of an inch back, bring it back 1/8 of an inch, and right there we're zeroed out and we're good to lay that point. Just keep repeating that process over and over and you'll have the job laid out in no time. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.